Students and my friends, welcome to my channel and my greetings to all of you. Now we are going to see the diphthong sound. Already we have seen in the previous class about monophthong sound. Monophthong is a single vowel sound and diphthong is a double vowel sound. So let us come back to our text and enjoy the lesson. Single vowel sounds are known as monophthong, and already we have seen in the previous class what is monophthong vowel sound. Now we shall see diphthong. Diphthong is a combination of two single vowel sounds into one. We can say it is a combination of two vowel sound that becomes diphthong, or it is known as diphthong. So there are altogether 8 diphthong sounds. Now let us see one by one. Number one, first one is, this is a soft A and this is E. Ear sound. A sound. Cage, age, mage. Second one is, this is A and this is E. So it becomes I sound. Third one is, this is A and this is E. So this also becomes I sound. Number four. Fourth one, this is also A and this is U, short U, choti U. So it becomes AU sound. Number five, this is A and this is U. So this also becomes AU sound. Number six, this is U and this is A. So it becomes UA sound. Number seven, this is A and this is also A. So it becomes AR sound, AR sound, AR. Number 8, this is E and this is A. So it becomes ear sound, ear. Here, near, dear, in this way. So this is A sound, this is I, this is also I, and this is OW, and this is also OW. And this one is UA sound. This is AR sound. This is ear sound. Now let us see the transcription one by one according to the sound. So already I have told it is a combination of two vowel sounds gliding from one to another, and this is known as diphthong sounds. This is A sound, age, base, face, date, gate, rain, wait, way, whale, grey, gate, grey, hate, they, this is the, they, late, break, paste, great, hate, rate, day, waste, way, make, say, rain, may, gain, aim, day, and last one is pain. So here we have used A sound. It's very easy to understand. Once you recognize the symbols, it will be very simple for you to understand. Now let us see another one, number 2, diphthong sound 2. This is OW sound. This is A and this is U. So it becomes OW. Let us see transcription bone. We have used bone. OW sound. It is used here. Home, nose, rope, open, go, so, no, don't, both, blow, flow, so, no, boat, road, soap, load, coast, though, solder, window, social, post, roll, host, gold,
bold, most, narrow, flow, cow. So here we have seen now how sound is used. Home, nose. So you can practice. Third one, we take third diphthong sound. This is I sound. This is also very simple to understand. I sound. Only you have to recognize symbol and it will be very easy. I sound. Bite. We have used here I. Bite. Mine. Fine. Nice. Ice. Type. Cry. Dry. Fly. Cycle. We have used here I sound. Cycle. Die. Fly. Flies. High. Light. Tight. Tight. Might. Fight. Sight. Kite. Either. This is the either. Haste. I. Tie. My. Neither. Shy. Try. Fry. Fine. I. So we have seen now the use of I sound. Number 4. Another one is ow sound. Ow sound. Let us see how it is used in transcription. About. Here we have used after a, be and out. About. House. Loud. Doubt. Bound. Sound. Mound. This is pound. This is cloud. This is allow. This is cow. This is now. This is how. This is town. This is gown. This is crown. We have used here after kr, ow. Crown. Down. Mouse. Bow. Fifth one. Fifth diphthong sound is I sound. This is a and this is e. I sound. And it is stands for O sound. O, a. This is not I but oi. Oi sound. Boil. Oil. Choice. Noise. Joy. Point. Annoy. Boy. Toy. So this is oi sound. Boil, oil, toil. Another one is, sixth one is ia sound. This is short e, this is a, ia sound. And it stands for e, double er, io and ear. Let us see its transcription. Period. We have here used ie, ia sound. Here also we have used after r, ia. So it becomes period. Serious. We have used here ia and here also ia. Serious. Cheer. This is, it looks like T and this looks like S. So T and S symbol, it becomes cha sound. And this is ia. So it becomes not cheer but cheer. Dear. fear, ear, near. This is dear, here, mere, severe, tear, real, idea. So this is ear sound. Number 7, diphthong sound. This is a and a. So it becomes ear sound. Ear sound. Ear. Ear. Air, hair, fair, rare, dare, care, chair, pair, bear, share, there. Last one is ua sound. This is short u, choti u, and this is a. So it becomes ua sound. Poor, doer, tour, sure, lure. So in this way you can study transcription of diphthong sound. In the next class we shall see consonant sound, and that will be little longer classes. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this class and video, please subscribe, share to your friends, like and give dislike also, so that I can get your feedback. Thank you very much. Bye bye.